I have another swap reveal, and this is from Jennifer, and it is so pretty. And she has a little package for me and the same, I think the same package for her swap partner. So we'll open the little hostess gift that she sent for me first, just in case it'll save us from having any, you know, having to open up any other unnecessary things. But it looks like a lot of store-bought goodies in here. So she gave this really cute, so this is really cute because it's actually 4 travel-sized bottles in one, and this is so good when you're traveling. So good. And some Airhead Extremes. They're so yummy. Thank you so much for a little sweet treat. She also added some of these shelf stickers, and look at these. I have not seen these at my Dollar Tree at all. These are so cute. They're wax seals, but they're like sea themed. And how cute are these too? She sent these adorable tags and this like wood veneer starfish. So cute. So cute. And she did tell me that she was gonna send me a die, and this is a I forgot what this makes. I cannot remember what this makes, you guys. It's some kind of 3D project. I cannot remember. I think it's maybe makes purse straps. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But she did say that she was gonna send it because she had extras of those. And she didn't send me a card, and thank you for your shipping. And she just said, thank you so much for hosting this great swap. She really enjoyed participating. And her Instagram is actually her last name, which is Hoag 9038. So make sure you follow her. I will put it in the description bar. And for her swap partner, she put very similar items. The only thing that's different is that she added this sticker instead, which is a Sticko sticker. How cute. And her she added these stamps from Dollar Tree, but they're actually like stamps of stamps. So cute. So this is really cute. I know your swap partner is gonna love that. So that is that. And then here is her suitcase that she made, and she put all this fun trim around it, and she decorated the top of it with this floral mesh, and she even put her own little corners on here. They're so cute. And look at this. Look how cute this is. Look how she made a opening. So instead of doing the straps, her opening is like way more sturdy. OMG, I love that. So good. And look at her corner protectors. So cute. I love. Okay, and then look at this. You open it up and it's so fun. It says summer, and there are bathing suits. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first we have some shakers, and these are so cute. These are the little KS Craft like bag totes, and also this came out in their more recent summer collection. These are jellyfish, and it just says Days of Summer, Summer 11, and she has these cabochons and this shaker. So cute. Oh my goodness. And then this is a tag. I love this. There's 2 tags. So this tag has a little surfboard on it, this little mesh, and the starfish. So pretty. There's chipboard back here, and then she even has an eyelet to make sure this is extra sturdy. And then look at this tag. Pool party. So cute. I love this little chipboard pool swimming pool. These are so cute. I love this this luggage tag, or this tag die. Where are these from? Let us know. These are so cute. I think it looks like Scrap Diva, but I'm not sure. So cute. And then she has this little purse in here with this like little, looks like a seashell, and then also a shell on top of it, and there's a little snap button. So cute. And in here she has, okay, so she has her die cuts in here, you guys. So we have some hats that you'll definitely need to pack on your trip. A bunch of different hats. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, look at all these hats. They're so adorable. A beach ball. Some nail polish. Definitely a necessity. Let me put these over so I can have more hand space for the rest of this stuff. Oh boy, she put so many die cuts in here. Okay, let's see. Is that all of it? Oh no, there's more. Hold on. Let me get everything out. Look at the zipper in the back. This mascara wand wants to stick. There we go, to the bottom. Okay, so look how cute. Look at this cute bag, first of all. Look at the zipper. Adorable. Oh my gosh. So look, we have a mascara wand. We have some lip gloss. We have some lipstick, some nail polish, a makeup brush, a little makeup palette. So cute. A beach ball, some serum. And then we have another beach ball and a bunch of hats, you guys. So cute. I love these hats. So cute. And then she put it all in this little purse that she has the little shell hanging from. Adorable. This is just so cute. I love the use of the snap on here. And I remember my last swap was like Jennifer's first swap, and it's so nice to see, like, look how she's like been swapping. Then we have these cute bag toppers that are bow bag toppers with this floral mesh on the back and this really pretty gem in the middle. So cute. And look at these. Oh my gosh, this one looks like a purse. I guess it could look like a saddle too, but it looks to me, it looks like a purse. Look how cute these are. I love the use of chipboard. You guys know I love chipboard. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have the prettiest rosettes. Layers on layers on layers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of rosettes plus the bling and the chipboard. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look how cute these are. These little pails, and look at the shovel. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, let me open this so we can see the just so we can see that little. I want to see what this little guy is. Oh my gosh, he's a cute little whale or like a little goldfish. So cute. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. So pretty. And then these are faux leather bows in the prettiest like rainbow ombre colors. And this is like a blue and a pink. And this one is like a plaid. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the glasses. A glasses shaker. These are so cute. They're so big. They're adorable. And then some flowers with these pretty centers. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this pokey tool. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. And I want to see this little topper. I know these pokey tools are so hard to get back in, so I'm going to try not to take the whole thing out. But I do want to show this little dangle that she put on top. You guys, look. Look how cute with the little seashell. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is a good size. My bags are so small. I can't even fit I have to find other uses for them because I can't even fit a pen or a pokey tool in here. You guys, look at this seashell. So pretty. I love the blue. Look at this starfish cabochon. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And so good. This shaker is so neat. And they're like so thick too. Well done, Jennifer. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, I'll do that last. Look at this Instax camera. Oh my gosh, best vacation ever. Look, how cute. Look at this. She even put like, these are like those kind of like puffy-ish stickers. They look so cute on here. Oh my gosh. And this paper is so cute. It's like the bubbles are like holographic. They're like iridescent bubbles. You guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have her memory decks, which is this adorable sandcastle. So cute. Cute. Okay, wait, is it stuck? Is it stuck down? It is. Okay, so it doesn't have any info on the back. That's what I was wondering. I was gonna say like, you know, some of her crafty info. Oh no, she does have it on the back. Okay, so she has her email address and she says she loves all the crafty things. Look at how cute this is. This is so cute. I love this. It's like a sand mansion. It's not a castle. It's like a mansion. Oh, and she used some more of these. They're so cute. These are like plasticky. Oh my gosh, Jennifer, such a good job. You did so great. I love the paper that you used. I think this is an Echo Park collection. I think I have it because I recognize these little cute bathing suits all over. And oh my gosh, your swap partner is going to be so happy to receive your swap. I'm going to put you fit so much in here, and your swap is, I don't know. She made her swap, no wonder. Her swap is made with chipboard, which is why it is so incredibly sturdy. Because I'm like, gosh, her swap is so sturdy. I'm like, was it the closure? But no, it's because she like literally reinforced it with chipboard, which is such a good idea. I don't even know how I'm gonna get all this stuff back in here. Let's see. It's like Tetris, a game of Tetris. But Jennifer, thank you so much for joining. I am so happy to see you progress as a swapper, and I know that the community has just welcomed you because you are just so amazing and so sweet. And Jennifer is a book reader like me. So sometimes we talk about how we both read 1 million books this year so far. So make sure you follow Jennifer on Instagram and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any more of our swaps coming up, because we have a bunch of travel swaps coming up. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.